Easy answers, quick solutions for you and your RV, Scotty Says.
Hey guys, today we're going to talk about pressure reduction valves in caravans, and that's your water pressure for your mains pressure. So you plug your caravan in, your mains water, it goes through one of these things here, which is a pressure reduction valve. On it, it has a little number, 350 kPa, 350 kilopascals. It also has an arrow. So basically what it's meaning is we're plugging our mains pressure in that way. It goes through the arrow into our van. Commonly what happens with these things is when the water goes through, you get sand, dirt, junk, everything else caught in that pressure reduction valve. It's also a one-way valve to stop water going out, hence the arrow. But if that happens, an easy way to tell that is you go and turn a tap on inside your van and no water comes out, or very little water comes out. What you do with these things is you go and buy a new one, and you get this one, throw it away. Some people can pull it to bits and clean it. Once you've put it back on, go back inside, turn your pressure on or turn your water on, and it should be fairly good pressure. Another thing that happens is completely opposite to that. As we said, it's a pressure reduction valve, so it takes the pressure from your mains water and limits it so we don't blow all of our fittings on our vans, all of our John Guest fittings. Now, what commonly happens is in your places like Broome, North Queensland, where you've got really high mains pressure, these things bugger up and the water goes scooting through this way and it doesn't slow the pressure down. What happens is when we get up to our hot water systems, which are up the front of the vans, and normally where we're going with our Swift hot water systems. And the way you find it is underneath the van, you'll have either a red hose, a white hose, any kind of hose which is coming out like that, and water will be spitting out there, but you don't know why. The reason why is this valve has buggered up. The valve inside this is doing its job and saying it's too much pressure. It's opening the valve up and letting the water out from there. Not a fault of your Swift hot water system. We replace this again. If you're out in the middle of nowhere and this continually happens like this, fill up your water tanks, disconnect your mains, then use your water pump to shower, to use all your water, and keep doing that, and that will then save your Swift hot water system. You'll just have to replace and clean this out when you get back into civilization. All good.